Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to see that how we can get a free number that we can use to get verified our Gmail or our WhatsApp, or we can verify any of the online service what is available there. So you can see there are a lot of apps in Play Store, but those are not actually works now for verify your let's suppose WhatsApp, but the tool that I'm going to show you right now, it's a free tool for 14 days trial, and they are going to give you $15 instant on your account, what you can use to call someone or send SMS. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video, and make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Okay, so start the video. So click in the link in the video description and you are able to reach at that site, but you can also type by yourself and you will arrive at that site. And now here we can see that it's a free SMS we can do with this free SMS marketing and online communication with that number. Now here, first time you need to provide your information like your name or your email and a password, and make sure that you give your password like this, I mean plus 16 characters. Okay, and it's a free account trial and no credit card required, so there's no risk of you. Now here, when you set all these things, click on the checkup option to agree their terms and condition, and then click on continue. And here they are gonna verify you that you are a robot or a human, so just simply fill up that captcha, and then they are going to ask you that for which purpose you want to use their service. But before that, they are going to send you a confirmation mail in your inbox, so just get that email and click on the link, and it will be verified your email. And now here in this section, you need to give your phone number to verify your Twilio account. So they are going to send another verification code in your phone number. So when you get it, you just need to paste it here and then confirm. Okay, now here, as I told you, that they are going to ask you for which purpose you want to use their service. So you can choose like SMS or identification, verify, or for customer loyalty or lead generation, lead conversion, anything you want. But make sure that it should seems like legit. Okay, now here choose this option with no code at all, and you can build up something for yourself, and then click on continue. Now wait and see here that as it's our trial account, they are giving us instant $15. Okay, and now here when you see in the project info, you can see that our trial balance is $15, and here's an option for get a trial number. So just click here and you are going to get a free trial number. So if you want, you can change it from here, but you can use this number for call someone or send SMS, or even you can get MMS or send MMS, I mean that the picture SMS you can do with this number. So just click on here and you are able to get your phone number right here. Now it will load for a second, and then you can see that we got a number, and we can use it to call someone or send a message to someone. So first of all, let's see if we try to make any new account in online services, will it work or not. So as you know that when we try any app from any second line app or text now or something like that app to verify our WhatsApp, it not allow us to create WhatsApp, but here I use this number to verify WhatsApp, and instant just they send the code here, you can see it. Now we can also use it to verify our Gmail as well. Okay, and let's see, do we get message if someone send us here in our number. So here I am using my Google Voice number to send message to my Twitter account. So let's see. Also I use photo for checking will it work for MMS type of pictures, so we can use it for product marketing as well. And there are so many purposes people use online numbers. Okay, I just send it, and let's check it to our inbox. Will it arrive or not? So go for message and click on overview, and you can see that all the messages we got, we will see the numbers here. Okay, and when we open, we'll see that we got our number from this, and here we got our MMS. Okay, here's the picture and the message. Okay, now we can set a voice record or voicemail, and we can call someone. If you want to call someone with your phone and you want to use it for your phone, you can just simply go for Google Play and download that tool and log in with the credential what you use here. Okay, that's a very short video. Let's wrap up the video and see you in the next video as well. Okay, have a good day.